Try, Adapt, Learn. In this video, we will try to change an air filter in a Kohler KT725 engine in a Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower. We will start by opening the hood and disconnecting the headlight wire. Once the headlight wire is disconnected, we can remove the hood by pulling the hood up and out of the hood mounts. We can remove the air filter cover by rotating the tabs that lock it into place, then lifting up on the air filter cover. The Kohler engine has a two-part air filter. We will first remove the outer filter and then the main filter. We will then clean up the loose dirt around the area before installing the new filter. As seen, the outer filter can be installed around the main filter and the main filter pushed into place. The air filter cover can then be reinstalled. Although not shown, the hood will need to be reinstalled reverse of the removal procedure. Thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.